Back to back to back to back to back. God
What's
damn,
up,
why
man?
you know these folks, you nigga?
What you mean? What you mean?
My boy Fresh Club, Trun.
I came out here a little soft today.
I gotta get on that YouTube.
Yeah, stop bullshitting. What's going on with you, bro?
Come on, man.
Stop bullshitting.
Boys coming in here deep. Everybody coming in this bitch. God damn, this shit deep. All different flavors, from the Mustangs to the wide bodies to the Scats. Teslas, Puerto Rico. Shit's still going. Boys pulling up trim. Oh, I got a minivan in this bitch. The flavors out here. Yeah. Okay, you gotta have a Nissan in your video at least once. Man, they still coming in. Oh, like a D-badge Hellcat right there, but it might be a Scat. You never know in Atlanta, you might be getting a Scat or a Hellcat. You never know. Down the curve. Sheesh. Alright. Alright. Oh yeah. There's the one.
Life lesson, bro. Don't chase females. Chase this, and they gonna chase you, brother. Trust me. See? Trust me. I already know. Cause what the females doing? Chasing this.
Hey, no. What I gotta say with him is, you know, once you get your money, then you go chase the female.
Yeah.
That's how you do
That's
it.
how I be. That's how I be. In traffic with it. This shit loaded though. That's that tall guy? Yo, you went viral, dude. Yo, you that guy.
I like people like that, but it's not like that though. How the hell that happened, bro? That shit crazy as hell on my mama, bro. Bro, that shit's crazy as hell.
You that guy?
Oh, that's my partner,
What
bro.
up, man? What up? God damn, man, me look small as hell. Yeah, I do YouTube.
Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and follow me at I don't know Alejandra. Get me on YouTube. Get me on Instagram. Get me on
Everything.
Give me the 100K.
Oh, shit.
Give me
3%. Nah, you look good. You look good.
Courtney. Follow me on IG at Courtney Leah. That's LIA_. And like my pictures.
Oh, I got you. I got you. Shit loaded. Hey, my camera finna die, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Y'all already know we going up. Y'all already know we going up.